Are you looking for to turn on driving mode on Google Maps? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn on driving mode on Google Maps. First thing first, head over to your application Google Maps. Once you're inside the app, click on the search bar. Choose the starting point and the destination that you want to go. Once you have selected, it will land you on the space. At the bottom you can see it says drive. Well, you can check the amount of time it takes from the car, train, motorcycle, and many more. So from here you can select the one that you want to turn it on. Let me choose the car option. Once you have clicked on preview, you should see the option where it says start. Click on it. After that, the driving mode will be turned on and then you'll be good to go. It will also guide you with the direction with the help of the audio. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.